Located in the northern part of London, England, Hampstead Heath is a vast natural oasis that makes visitors feel as though they have escaped the noise of the city. It is one of the largest open spaces in London, covering about 320 hectares, 790 acres. With its expansive grasslands, ancient woodlands, and the charm of a well-preserved English countryside, the Heath feels like a hidden rural sanctuary within the city. Its rolling hills, old-growth forests, and wide meadows blend harmoniously with winding footpaths that reveal a different beauty in every season. From the top of Parliament Hill, one can overlook the skyline of central London, where the contrast between nature and the urban landscape forms a striking and memorable scene. The Heath is also home to natural swimming ponds and tranquil lakes, attracting both locals and visitors who come to walk, jog, or enjoy a peaceful picnic. More than just a park, Hampstead Heath is a place that encourages people to slow down and breathe, reminding us to preserve moments of connection with nature amid the busyness of everyday life.